Hi students, here we are going to see lanthanide contraction. This is a very important topic and today we are going to see what is this lanthanide contraction and why it is taking place. What is the reason for it? Before this, we should have a knowledge about this F block elements. This F block elements is placed at the bottom in the periodic table. This F block elements is also called inner transition elements, and these are called lanthanide series and these are called actinide series, and this is placed after lanthanum, that is from cerium to lutetium. These 14 elements are belonging to this lanthanoid series. Now we shall see why it is taking place. Contraction is nothing but surungudal. Here atomic size decrease ஆகுது. அதை நாம் contract அப்படிங்கிறோம். From cerium to lutetium, atomic number 58 to 71, 14 elements are there. As we move from left to right, where we see the atomic number increase, that means proton and one electron is increasing, because atomic number is nothing but that is number of proton or number of electron. This proton will go to nucleus and the electron will go to 4f subshell. That where is this 4f subshell? That is nothing but anti-penultimate, and the anti-penultimate shell in the electrons will get accommodated. Now we know the nucleus is here, shell 1, shell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one is, it is valence shell or outer shell. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ளது தான் penultimate shell. Last cellக்கு முந்தைய shell is penultimate shell. அந்த penultimate shellக்கு எதிரே இருக்கக்கூடியது தான் anti-penultimate shell. So this is the 4f shell. So these electrons are getting accommodated here in this anti-penultimate shell. In the atom size depends on the outermost shell. The outermost shell பொறுத்து தான் இந்த எலக்ட்ரான் உடைய அமைப்பு அமையும். இப்போ the outermost shell little உள்ள வரும்போது the size of the atom will be small. அதே நேரத்தில் the outermost shell, when it goes out of its, the size of the nucleus will be bigger. So இப்படி the outermost shell inside உள்ள கொஞ்சம் வருவதும் இதற்கும் வெளியில போவதும் depends on two things. Which are those two things? That is nucleus, that is proton. In a technical way we can say that is depends on nuclear charge. The second one is electrons present in the inner shell. Now we shall see the protons are as the atomic as we go, each element one electron and proton will get increased. அது எல்லாமே அந்த proton எல்லாமே get accommodate in the nucleus and the electron get accommodate in the shells. So in the 4f subshell, in the outermost shell உள்ள அந்த electrons the proton have a positive charge and the electrons got a negative charge. Therefore they both get a attraction. And the force நம்ம attractive force அப்படிங்கிறோம். When these both are getting attracted, in the inner shells also having the electron. So மற்ற ஷெல்ஸில் உள்ள அந்த எலக்ட்ரான் என்ன செய்யும், இந்த அட்ராக்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ்னால் இந்த அவுட்டர் ஷெல் எலக்ட்ரான் உள்ளே வரும்போது இந்த இன்னர் ஷெல் வில் ரிபல் இட், பிகாஸ் தீஸ் போத் ஆர் ஹேவிங் சேம் சார்ஜ். இது ரெண்டுக்குமே நெகட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் இருக்கிறதுனால, சேம் சார்ஜ் இருக்கிறதுனால தே ரிபல் ஈச் அதர். ஸோ திஸ் 4f சப்ஷெல்லில் தே ஹாவ் லெஸ் ஸ்க்ரீனிங் எஃபெக்ட். இந்த வரக்கூடிய அந்த அட்ராக்ஷனை இந்த உள்ள அந்த இன்னர் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸில் உள்ள எலக்ட்ரான் தடுக்கிறதுனால இதை we are calling it screening effect, or also it can be called shielding effect. The shielding effect in F shell is less. S ஷெல்லுக்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கும். It is P is lesser than S. This shielding effect is lesser than P. F shielding effect is lesser than D. So comparing to all these four, and F is having the least shielding effect or screening effect. Since it is having poor shielding effect, there is a contraction is taking place. And this F, why this is having a poor shielding effect? Because this is having the F is having the diffused structure, whereas the S is having the round structure we have learned in 11th standard, and the other D dumbbell shape and other shapes we saw, and whereas this F is having the diffused structure. Since it is having diffused structure, it does not screen much, it does not rebel much. Therefore this could come easily, the outer shell could come easily inside. The three reasons are there. As we move from one element, the whole together we can say in a 3 point, that is, as we move from one element to another element in 4f series, the nuclear charge increase by 1 unit and an additional electron is added in the same inner 4f shell. Second one is the 4f subshell have diffused shapes and the electrons have a poor shielding effect. The third reason is the effective nuclear charge increase. The poor shielding effect இருக்கிறதுனால the nuclear chargeக்கு எந்த பாதிப்பும் இல்லை. The nuclear charge அதனுடைய attraction வந்து நல்ல increase ஆகுது. With increase in the nuclear charge, the valence shell slightly pulled towards nucleus. அப்போ அந்த nuclear charge increase ஆகிறதுனால slightly they pull towards nucleus. அந்த nucleus பக்கம் அது வந்து இழுக்கம் கொடுக்கும். அதைத்தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், contraction அப்படிங்கிறோம். After knowing the reason for the lanthanide contraction, what is the reason for the lanthanide contraction? The poor shielding effect in 4f subshell, the lanthanide contraction kuria reason. Now we shall see what are the consequences of lanthanide contraction. The lanthanide contraction நடக்கிறதுனால நமக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம்? First one is basicity difference. அதாவது due to the decrease in the size of Ln3+ ions, the size decrease ஆகிறதுனால ionic character increase ஆகுது. அதாவது Ln minus OH அதனால வெளியில வர முடியல. We know OH we name for a base and H plus for acid. இந்த LnOH இதால வெளியில வர முடியாததுனால இது பேஸ் தன்மை இங்க அதிகமாகுது. The second one is similarities among lanthanide contraction. In the lanthanide contraction the atom radius is only 10 picometer. and the atomic radii is only 20 picometer. So only the very little difference is there, very small change in radii of lanthanides. Therefore, their chemical properties are quite similar. And the chemical property வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். அப்படி ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுனால it is difficult to separate them from minerals. That's for we use repeated fractional crystallization for the separation of the ore from the minerals of this particular metals. Otherwise we use ion exchange method. Next we shall see the difference between actinide and lanthanide contraction. Now we shall see the difference between the lanthanide and actinide. Whereas in lanthanide the electrons enter in 4f and in actinide it enters in 5f. The binding energy are very higher here, and in actinide the binding energy is lower, and they show less tendency to form complexes. Already we have seen this one of the main property, this F block elements, they are able to form complex compounds. But here lanthanides show less tendency, and whereas actinides show higher tendency to form complexes. Most of the lanthanides are colorless. இதெல்லாமே ரொம்ப கலர் இல்லை. But whereas actinides are colorless. Red, green, yellow, etc. They do not form oxoanions. Lanthanides do not form oxoanions, and whereas actinides form oxocations. And besides +3 oxidations states lanthanide show +2, +4 and all in lanthanides. Whereas actinides besides +3 they show higher oxidation states, that is +4, +5, +6, +7 and all.